have just arrived in Ethiopia. Come on!
Things got out of hand. Empire booked the flight. Now we're live in Addis land. Since we last spoke, things got out of hand. Empire booked the flight. Now we're live in Addis land. With wall energy, traded in for views. Now it's hyenas, highlands, boots on the news. I don't dare rolling through linking streets to the feed.
Out! Ooh. Yeah.
We're running a bit late, so you should be there by like 9:30.
What time is it now?
Now it's 9.
Let's do the bread cutting and then we'll go. Is the minister on the way?
No, he's not coming anymore.
He's having a meeting.
Prime Minister. Oh.
He's going to tell you off for the champagne.
To discuss the strategy for this.
Yeah, he just edited it up. Did you finish editing it? That champagne video? That is fire. So they do this, they just pull it.
Yeah, that went up my nose.
Yeah, it's meant to do that. That was a hit.
It's like bath salts. Oh, wait.
Sami, anda mesti yang matu no? Ha? Aunim tu. Aunim tu. We have the biggest news reporter in Ethiopia.
You're looking smart, man. How you doing? How are you? Yeah, I'm good. Thank you.
Madi.
Hi, nice
His name is Muse. Muse.
Nice to meet you, bro.
One of the most known news reporter in Ethiopia and the most loved. A lot of people love him.
Keep doing your stuff, bro. Hell yeah.
Soon he's gonna become international too, man.
Yeah.
Yes.
That's cool.
Beautiful.
I feel like this is the first time you've met someone that's done news, like the biggest news person in another country. Yeah.
Okay, let's do this and then we can go to the breakfast. All right, Maddie.
You go first, bud.
Thank
you
you.
show the
Thank
way.
you very much. Thank you very much. All right, so we're gonna do the bread cutting now. You want a short form for this one? It would be great. Yeah.
So I'm expecting big things. Yes, please. Best in the world. Yeah, this is where coffee was discovered, so they know what they're doing.
Noodles in the place, so brewed with the warm of the plate. So it's in a different festival.
Oh, really?
So I don't know. Have you told them American words before?
What? Oh, yes. He knows.
Yeah,
You should say the Nanish when you leave.
The Nanish? How are you?
The Nanish, how are you?
And is that specifically just for the woman? And then for the man? The Nanish?
The Nanish. The Nanish.
How about you?
yeah, that one was hard.
It's so hard. Okay, it's so long. Besides, I'm a second hand.
Yes.
Is there a shorter version? If you want to be rude, that's even more simple one.
We don't want to be rich.
So it's easy, very good. It's a bit okay. So you swallow your words.
Alright, ready for sip. You're gonna rate it 1 to 10. Alright. This is gonna be the freshest sip of coffee I've ever had. I'm gonna give it a brutal rating of 1 to 10. That is insane. I'm not even just saying that. That is insane. Yeah. That is a 10.
Wow.
That is a 10. Seriously, that's crazy. Wow. Then now that we're in a circle, should we gossip about someone or?
We can talk about anything. This is where you talk about business, about anything.
We could talk about how much we hate Man City fans.
Don't worry, you have many followers.
Really?
Yeah, we saw the video. Everyone going crazy.
I'm terrible. I don't think the kitchen is not ready. I need to just.
Come on.
ጋይስ አሁን ተክል ነው። እንዴት አድርገን ነው የምንተክለው ያሳዩናል። እንዴት እንትከለው? How is it going to work? Oh, so እንደዚህ አውጥተን ነው ምን አስገባው? Ooh. Okay. Where's my አካፋየት አለ? Okay. I'm having a whole abs workout over here, man. አንዴ ካሜራችሁ እንዳልመታ.
Thank you very much, man. How you doing on your side, bro?
You stole half of his.
Yeah, literally, man. What is that?
Not the rock.
What is... Woo! So do I pour all of this here or just a little bit? ሁሉንም? My attention span is way too low for this. I swear to you, I just want to finish it so fast. Can we do it the other way? If this was a TikTok video, I would have scrolled. Yeah. Already, I swear to you. Okay. Wow, it feels good, man. I feel like I'm just giving a birth.
Woo! Let's give it up for Agonize Tree as well.
Yes. Thank you. ያምራል። it's ትንሽ ተጣመመሽ ነገር? እስኪ ሳባርጌ ላርጋት? Oh, ደግፊያት ካልሄድኩ እኔ ጨናነቃለሁ በጣም።
Tree over here, as you can see, very beautiful. This over here, as you can see, the tall and majestic one. This is News Daddy's tree. And then over here, the small one that is
not the small one.
nice.
It is large.
And it's got hardly any soil. This is
Because somebody stole my soil.
oh man, look at this place, bro. See that light?
Guys, I'm so glad for us.
Wow, look at that billboard. Oh,
I actually want to work. I have one advertisement on billboards. It comes like every 20 minutes. Yeah, I hope we see one. Empire, live from Addis. Live from Addis. Oh, that's a World Cup right there. Let's see the World Cup.
ጋይስ አሁን ወደ ቶቶት መተናል። እንደምትመለከቱት የሚመስል አቀባበል አድርገንላቸዋል። በጣም ነው የሚያምረው። በሰረገላ የተለያዩ ባህሎችም እየታዩ ነው። እስ ይጎላል ኦላ ኦኬ እንቀሳቀስ እኔን ቦታ አንዴ ካሜራማኖች በእናታችሁ አንዴ ሰፋ
ምሽር ተሸተሸ ምሽር ተሸ አዝማች ተሳተሳ አዝማች ተሳ እንዴት ተሶ ተሶ መችናሁ እኮጂና ባሁ ባግኖታ ተሰማ ለተሰ አማማ የሳበረ ተሰማ ለተሰ አማማ የሳበረ ተሰማ ለተሰ አማማ